If you are looking to legally change your name in Alabama, there are several steps that you need to take, from filling out the necessary forms to notifying government agencies. This guide will provide you with everything you need to know about changing your name in the state of Alabama with the help of NameChangeAlabama.com. Understanding the process of changing your name in Alabama. Changing your name is a personal decision that can have various reasons. However, it is important to understand the legal process of changing your name in Alabama to ensure that it is done legally and properly. The process of changing your name in Alabama involves filing a petition with the court and attending a hearing. Reasons for changing your name in Alabama. There are various reasons why individuals decide to legally change their name in Alabama. Some common reasons include marriage or divorce, personal preference or identity, correcting errors on the birth certificate or other legal documents, cultural, religious, or gender-related reasons. Legal requirements for changing your name in Alabama. To change your name legally in Alabama, you need to meet the following legal requirements. Be at least 19 years of age. Be a resident of Alabama for at least 6 months. Have no felony convictions. Have no outstanding warrants. Have no pending criminal charges. Have no bankruptcy cases pending. How to change your name in Alabama, step-by-step guide. Obtain a petition for name change form. The first step in changing your name in Alabama is to obtain a petition for name change form. You can download this form from the Alabama State Bar website or obtain it from the probate court in the county where you live. Complete the petition for name change form. After obtaining the form, you need to fill it out completely and accurately. The form will require you to provide personal information, including your current name, the name you want to change to, and the reason for the name change. File the petition for name change form with NameChangeAlabama.com. Once you have completed the form, you need to file it with the probate court in the county where you live. You can also file it online with NameChangeAlabama.com, which is a professional and reliable service that can assist you with the entire name change process. Obtain a hearing date. After filing the petition, you will receive a hearing date. You will need to attend this hearing to provide a reason for the name change and answer any questions that the judge may have. Attend a hearing. At the hearing, the judge will review your petition and ask you questions about the reason for the name change. If the judge approves the name change, you will receive an order granting name change. Obtain certified copies of the order granting name change. To legally change your name in Alabama, you need to obtain certified copies of the order granting name change from the court clerk's office where your name change was granted. These copies are essential for updating your name with government agencies and institutions, such as the Social Security Administration, the Alabama Department of Public Safety, and NameChangeAlabama.com. You may need to pay a fee to obtain these certified copies, and the number of copies required may vary depending on the agency or institution you need to update your name. Update your name with Social Security Administration. After obtaining the certified copies of the order granting name change, you need to update your name with the Social Security Administration. You can do this by completing the application for a Social Security card and submitting it to your local SSA office along with the certified copies of the order granting name change. Update your name with the Alabama Department of Public Safety. You also need to update your name with the Alabama Department of Public Safety. You can do this by submitting the certified copies of the order granting name change to your local DPS office along with your current driver's license or state-issued identification card. They will update your name in their records and issue you a new driver's license or ID card with your new name. You may also need to pay a fee for this service. Update your name with other government agencies and institutions. You need to update your name with other government agencies and institutions, such as your bank, employer, insurance companies, and other organizations like NameChangeAlabama.com. You will need to provide them with certified copies of the order granting name change and any other documentation they require, such as a new Social Security card or driver's license. It's important to update your name with all necessary agencies and institutions as soon as possible after the name change is granted to avoid any potential issues or delays. Some institutions may require additional documentation or have their own procedures for updating your name, so be sure to check with them directly to ensure that you have provided all necessary information. Tips for changing your name in Alabama. Here are some additional tips to help you through the process of changing your name in Alabama. Start the process early to avoid delays, as some steps may take several weeks to complete. Keep a copy of all the forms and documents you submit for your records. Notify everyone of your new name, including friends, family, and colleagues. Consider hiring a lawyer to assist you with the process, especially if you have any questions or concerns. Be patient and stay organized, as the process of changing your name can be time-consuming and require attention to detail. If you are changing your name due to marriage, you can request to have your maiden name restored as part of the name change process. Similarly, if you are changing your name due to divorce, you may be able to request a name change as part of the divorce decree, which can streamline the process and save you time and money. Remember that you will need to provide documentation of the legal name change when filing your petition in Alabama, and if you have any concerns about your safety or privacy due to changing your name, you may be able to request that your new name be kept confidential.